Are you stuck trying to jump in Lies of P on Xbox and keep falling again and again? You're not alone. This part of the game can be super tricky, but don't worry, I'm going to help you get past it step by step. Jumping in Lies of P is different from most games. You can't just press a button. You can't just press a jump button. You have to run first, and then dodge while holding the left stick forward. This feels strange at first, but with practice it gets easier. So first, you're going to go to a safe area and practice running and dodging forward to get the feel of jumping. Second, when you reach a gap, make sure that you're not locked onto an enemy. Locking makes your movement weird, so turn it off for jumping. Third, use narrow bridges or rooftops in Krat City to test your jumps safely. Fourth, if you're struggling, try equipping lighter gear like the Puppet Saber Handle to move faster. Okay? Fifth, turn on frame rate mode in settings. This makes the game smoother while helping you with timing. Okay? So you got this. Don't let a small jump stop your big adventure. Smash that like button, drop a comment if this helped, and hit the like, subscribe button, and ciao.